Welcome to MKR Industrial Automation. So this is Nagamani. So today I am going to explain about how to perform programming in Semantic Manager with Simulator. Okay, so first open Semantic Manager, go to File, click on New and assign a project name. So here I will assign MKRIS. Next, click on OK. Next, go to Insert option, click on Station, and next, select Semantic 300 Station. So next, double click on Semantic 300, and then the hardware configuration window will open. So just double click on hardware. So this is hardware configuration window. So in that, go to Insert option, click on Insert Object, then the Rack 0 will open. In that, right click on second slot. So just right click here, click on Insert Object and assign CPU model here. Okay, so in S7300 CPU 313C-2DP, and this is model number, and just click on V3.3. Next, click on OK. So next, click on Save and Compile. So this is Save and Compile option. Click on Save and Compile. So next, minimize hardware configuration window. And next, expand Semantic 300, and again expand CPU 313C-2DP, and next again expand S7 program. Next, double click on blocks. So then OB1 will open. So OB1 nothing but organization block. So just double click on that. And next, select OB1 with LAD. So LAD programming language. So STL, FPD, like that. So now we are writing a programming in LAD. So that's why we will select LAD here. Next, click on OK. So next, the programming window will open. So OB1 nothing but organization block. So in that we are performing a programming. Okay. So just go to network, new network, just click on that. So then like this, the network will be appear. So just click on here. So click on NO. This is input and this is output. So here I will assign input address in bit, in Siemens in bit addressing. So I0.0 input addressing, and similarly output address in bit Q0.0. So next, click on save. So next, go to main window. So go to main window, click on simulator. Okay, just click on simulator and minimize that. Next, go to programming window. So nothing but OB1 window. Click on download and next click on monitor on or off. So then we will go to online mode. So next open simulator. So then click on run. So then we will go to run mode. So next, so IB nothing but input, QB nothing but output. Okay, so IB 0, so nothing but I 0.0. So when I on I 0.0, then so Q 0.0 output will on. Okay, and here it will appear here like that, Q 0.0. So off, then the output will off. So like that you will check outputs according to given inputs. So if you want to edit a program or write a new program, so just click on stop and next click on monitor on or off. Okay, so then you will edit your program. So if you want to edit, if you suppose if you want to add another condition or another network, then just click on that, click on new network. Okay, so appear like that. Okay, if you want to delete the network, then just select on that delete, then it will delete. Okay, so this is the process to perform programming in semantic manager with the simulator. Okay.